Welcome to Mayhew Tools. My name is Craig Rivest, joined today with Eric Mills, Vice President of Sales and Marketing. So Eric, we got this 24-piece punch and chisel set. It's gained some pretty good popularity amongst the crowd. Can you tell us why it's so popular?
Absolutely, Craig. So the 24-piece punch and chisel set is a combination of some of our most popular tools and categories of tools. The things that we find that most people are using. Inside it has our pin punches, center punches, lineup punches, cold chisels. All the products are made from US tool steel, 6150 chrome vanadium with a black oxide finish, which helps to prevent rust. Also included in this set is our handy punch and chisel holder.
So it's a good general purpose kit for cutting, driving, aligning.
Yes, it is. And you've got your cold chisels in there, which are used for removing metal that's softer than the edge of the blade. And then you've got pin punches for, as you said, knocking out pins, center punches for marking metal, and lineup punches for lining up holes.
I think what I like best about this kit is it comes in this nice little case. You can roll it up, store it in your toolbox, grab it as you need, walk across the shop, do what you got to do. It's got a nice little rubberized feel to it.
Absolutely. We, in fact, over the last couple of years, we've transitioned all of our pouches for all our punch and chisels and tool kits from nylon to this denier nylon, which is non-slip.
I think it's a good idea. So Mayhew tools really do stand the test of time. All made in USA?
Absolutely. All our punches and chisels are made in the USA. We offer the widest breadth in the market. We offer a black oxide finish as well as a blast finish, and they all are covered by a lifetime warranty.
And to find out more about Mayhew tools, you can go to Mayhew's website, mayhew.com. You can also click here on the banner to subscribe to the channel and see more about future tools and new product lineup.